Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Telegram this channel cannot be displayed. So if you're facing this problem, then probably there is something like 18 plus or sensitive content being shared on that group, and since you have not turned on disable sensitive content off, it is like probably not allowing you to enter that group. So to fix this issue, what you need to do is go on your browser, because this cannot be fixed from the Telegram app. So on your browser, you want to search for Telegram Web org. Once you search for Telegram Web org, click on the first option, Telegram Web. It's going to take you to the website version of Telegram. From over here, you need to click on Start Messaging. And once you click on Start Messaging, it's going to log you into your Telegram account. Once you log into your Telegram account, at the top left corner, you will see the 3 lines. Click on it and click on where it says Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll a bit down and click on where it says Privacy and Security. Come over here, scroll all the way down, and where it says Display Filtering, make sure to turn it off, which means uncheck it. Once it's unchecked, you can close this browser, and if your Telegram is running in the background, close it as well. For the setting change to be applied, you need to restart your Telegram. So after you close your Telegram, reopen it again, and your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then delete the Telegram app and re-download it again. Then it should probably be fixed. So that's how you guys can fix this channel cannot be displayed problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.